Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Matthew Bresky, and I'm a chiropractor here living in the Netherlands. And a few years ago I developed a technique called center point meditation, and it's been, we've been working with the technique now for, 3 years now? And now in today's circumstances that we have, we've sort of had to adapt it and evolve the technique because people need something they can do themselves, a do-it-yourself pain management technique. Okay, so now what we've developed is called Center Point Therapeutics, and it's a do-it-yourself pain management program. And it's very important for people to understand that a lot of your discomfort, a lot of your tension that your bodies hold, you can get rid of it by yourself. You just need to learn how to do that. And what we have for you with Center Point Therapeutics is exactly the methods necessary to relieve the tension your body holds from the stress from your life. And now that most people are being restricted in their activities, a lot of people are getting an incredible amount of tension in their bodies just because of the sedentary lifestyle that the culture now is enforcing on us. And so what we've done is we've broken down the Center Point Therapeutics into 4 different parts. The first part is going to be for your neck, your skull, and your jaw, and everything in between. So you can imagine all the complaints, all the conditions that can come from this area. So this will be one course that we're offering. The next course is going to be your thoracic spine and your rib cage. And I want you to think about how the rib cage is going to have an influence on your breathing. So this technique is really focused on helping improve your breath work and improving your breathing processes from the inside out. And the third one is going to be low back and pelvis. Okay? And if you've ever had low back or pelvis pain, you all know how debilitating that can be. And we want to give you the tools that you can do at home to relieve that tension and pain within a matter of seconds most of the time. And the last one is going to be technically a sniper specific meditation for specific body parts. Can be the joints, can be the muscles, can even be the organs. So that's going to be our 4th program. And on the page that you're seeing this video on, we'll have the details over each of these parts that we'll be offering you. And I'm looking forward to being able to support you from afar, from over here in the Netherlands. And I can't wait to get going. Thanks everybody. Stay relaxed.